Oh, this is Zdenka. Insta360 has huge software updates. The number one reason 360 cameras are used is that you film the clips without any work. You don't need to think about the framing or composition or what you want to capture. You just turn it on and let it do its thing. All the magic happens in the post. From one clip, you can create an endless number of final clips because of all the angles and reframing options the software offers. Some people love playing with the software and spend hours editing. Others either don't have the time or patience, so they want editing done simple way. And here is where Insta360, who is also a sponsor of this video, comes into the play with their Insta360 app's new AI editing tools anyone can use to edit their footage in seconds. In this video, I'm going to introduce the new tools and explain how you can use them. Let's jump into the first one, and that is AI Edit. AI Edit just got better and smarter. There are two big improvements. The first one is better scene recognition. So the AI can recommend highlights of the video now based on the main theme or activity. To explain it in more detail, it will give you clips of the main person, other people if they are around, and the surroundings. The second improvement is better highlight recognition based on the relationship between objects or subjects, and it will place them into the groups to choose from. In simple words, it will create a story based on the interaction between people. Let me show you how this is done. Let's open up the Insta360 app, go to Album and select a 360 clip that is 1 minute or longer. It is best to use a clip that has some action such as walking or riding and includes more than one person or animal. You cannot use a clip where you had the camera mounted to the chest as it needs a clear view. So it is best to choose a clip that was filmed with the invisible selfie stick. This summer, we didn't do much traveling. Last year, however, we went to visit our families in Czech Republic and Slovakia. Let's just pick one of the clips filmed there. I open up the clip. I am going to hit AI, and at the bottom, this head icon. It will now analyze the clip. It's gonna take a while. Once it is done, I can see selfie view, forward view, and other sections. I can export individual clips. I can still edit them further. I can export all clips in a draft or just selected clips. Just to see the difference, let's compare the old AI Edit with the new version of the AI Edit. Let's move to another update, and that will be automatic templates called movements. That will really change the look of the clips over just regular flat video. The shots can now move diagonally, roll, pan, push, for example, between points in the timeline. It's like keyframing, but way faster. On top of it, many of those movements you wouldn't even think of doing in the first place. There are many options. Let me show you. Let's open a clip and tap Pro. I am going to select this view, tap the keyframe button, and here is a new icon called Movement. I can just select any of those movements offered, and once I hit that, it will be automatically added to the clip. I can also drag the sides to make the effect shorter or longer. Let me just play some clips with edit movements. Update number 3 is here. Let's go through Quick Edit. I'm going to select a clip and hit Quick in the middle. For those who are not familiar with this feature, you just move the phone to the starting position, hit record, and then move the phone around to reframe the shot. Once you are done, hit stop recording and video is automatically saved. You can also drag with your finger to reframe the shot. You can do active face tracking. You can do active object tracking. Just drag on the screen. You can also activate the Deep Track 3.0 by long pressing on the subject. You can now use the joystick to reframe the video. You can also enable 360 movement. And lastly, you can zoom in and out. The algorithm has been upgraded, so the movement will look even smoother now. It's really easy now to create a reframed video. Here is a final video I reframed using these tools. One more section I would like to talk about is the Shot Lab. So let's go to Edit and hit the Shot Lab. There are periodically added new templates. For example, in Featured section, you see AI Warp, Sky Warp, Fly Labs, AI Selfie, Stick Eraser, Horizon Flip, Electric Search, Spin Me Around, Match Cuts, and many more. They are further organized into sections such as Mind Bending, Time Lapse, Freeze Frame, Clone, Transitions, and Creative. All you have to do is choose one. Follow all instructions and let the app create the final result for you. Let me show you, for example, bullet time. For that one, you need bullet time accessory. I filmed several clips at different locations that I uploaded here, and here is the final result. Another great template would be Time Flip. Very simple to do, just place the camera on the invisible selfie stick and follow all the directions in the app. You can have some serious fun creating all the clips. Thank you Insta360 for all the updates. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about these updates? Which one caught your attention and why? Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more and check one of these videos next. See you there. Ciao, ahoj.